Anyway, today's a pretty exciting day. Our pumps finally arrived for our irrigation out of our first pond. You can kind of see it there in the truck. So today we are stopping all pipe installation and we are going to put in our pump for our irrigation. So here we go. So right here is where our pump station is gonna go. Here's our wet well for it, and it goes all the way out there. You can kind of see it right there going into the pond. We just turned this pond on about 2 days ago now, so it's starting to fill. I'd say it's about halfway there, but it'll keep going. It'll get pretty full. It'll get right up to them weeds up there, and especially when they get a back pond fill, it'll put some back pressure on it anyways. Right now Terry is just cleaning out some of these weeds, and we actually come from our wet well. Our pump is going to sit where I am standing, and I believe it's going to go straight out this way and then straight down and then connect into our main line right there. We got our chains hooked up. We're worried about it, since we're unlevel, we're worried about it sliding that way on us, sliding down and that way. So we're just hooking up this ratchet strap real quick. So we'll tie it down and hold it, and then when we go to move it, it'll work out. So we got our pump station set here. Now we're just gonna work on leveling it. That side is all good with our wet well and stuff. We have to raise this up a little. So we'll hook onto the chain and raise it with a shim. So our pump station is set, and now we're setting in our actual pumps into our wet well. And then we'll hook them up, wire it all up, and then hopefully be good to go for a pump.
Yeah, loosen it some more. It doesn't want to.
Cad's doing a good job.
Okay, it's just enough to, there we go. I got to get this one started a bit slow. Alright, where's my 3/4 inch wrench?
I got a socket and a wrench.
Stop over here. Here, go ahead, take it down. That's good.
You like it?
Go ahead. Oh. That's good.
When do we tighten that again?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Well, we can tighten that after we tighten these down.
Oh boy.
Yeah, you gotta be a contortionist.
I'm not known for my flexibility very much. What, are you gonna blow my ear out? It's loud down here. You don't know what it's like. I'm just praying I don't get a cramp right now.
I know.
Gotta do the same thing for these ones. Reach all the way under here? Or reach from that
Yeah,
side?
you could probably better right here. It's easier.
Okay. I'm just gonna try from this side. Am I close?
Almost. Put a little hair around it. Oh, the other way.
I don't see it at all.
Here, 1 second.
Yeah, let me see.
Did you cross thread it? Okay, if you say so.
There we go.
You got it, or you want me to? Got here. There you go. Good work, Terry.
Good, huh? There we go. All right, now we can tighten down this.
Jeez, don't strip it. Well, we got most of it set. We just got it left to anchor it and run wires, and then a couple other things, and we should be good to go.